Okay. Call me over.
Yes.
What's this?
We got a delivery last night.
And
It's a bunch of footage and I would like your opinion on it.
perfect. And like, is it just a good piece of film? Like, what exactly do you want me to help you with?
Mostly determining if this is as real as the people here think it is.
Alright. Oh. Suppose it doesn't hurt to take a look-see. Is it projecting already?
Yes, we just have to click this one.
Alright, here, let me get the light. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone and welcome to our vlog. This is
Max. Max. Koby. Oh, we're going to the forest. It's gonna be creepy, it's gonna be tough. This is finally gonna be a vlog worth actually like videoing. It's gonna be freaking tough. Okay. Let's just like have a snack and then say. Be a red blinking dot. Did you get it? We just press it once.
it's a blue blinking dot.
It's red, it's definitely red. On the screen, on the screen.
Oh.
That's why that's the whole thing.
Is this candid for the vlog, guys?
Just for a vlog, bro. I used to be right. It's like the pregame before the big hunt. You know? Yeah, we have to cut that. Big adventure. Pancake. Forgot what you were getting. Pancake. Milkshake. Now I have to get something or something to get kicked out.
Max, what are you getting? What's your order, Max?
Cinnamon milkshake?
What are you getting?
New York cheesesteak. Hey man, we're tight on the money, Nancy.
You're tight on the money. The one with the job?
Okay, a job that I work once a week at.
Okay, everyone, we've officially arrived at the destination.
It's a little after hours.
Oh.
Yeah, can you grab the flashlight?
So we're adequately prepared, type shit.
Alright.
Okay?
Start off. Who wants to go over first? I mean, you're leading the way. That's it. Him in the camera. Right here. Oh, come on, guys. We don't got all day.
Okay, it's not. What is the point of the game? You're so stupid. At least you're doing that, taking too long.
Yeah, just get over, man. Come on. We got spots to get to. We got a forest to walk to, man.
Yeah, I love how this is.
Oh my God, we'll just help you up. Oh. I think left. I like left.
You like left?
Cause left is further from the start, just like straight up. This is pretty. Oh shoot. Ready? Okay. These are animal tracks. Where are they? Here? I don't know. That one looks to be I can't say it. Beautiful sky. Walking in a winter wonderland. You go left again. Huh? You can take left. Yeah, so it's easier to remember when we get. No, we go right here. Okay. Wow, this is pretty steep. Oh, this is steep as well. That's a goat. I know it's a goat. You can't see it. Is it? Should we go back?
You guys remember where we're going, right?
No. Yeah, I do. We're taking all that.
Okay. Can't see anything. Or should we get going? It's a long pause. Do you want to hold the camera? I've been holding this the whole night.
I got you.
You want the gloves or no?
No.
No, seriously?
No, why would I have gloves?
Because it's cold?
It's hardly cold.
Oh, yeah. Shouldn't you be like walking the front so you can actually see a lot of back
Oh yeah,
footage?
should I walk in the front? Move!
Yeah.
We're leading the way. Expedition.
Is there a way to like look back through the footage? Like right now? Because I'm like, kind of low key lost.
Huh?
Lost?
Like I mean it's like if we look back through the footage we can just find what we came from, but I'm like a little unsure.
We've been walking for hours.
Are you sure we
It's
went
either we
uphill?
walk around in circles all day, or we can just like look through it, you know.
I think we've been here. I don't know.
Did we go up a hill?
Yeah, I mean, see, that's what I'm saying.
mean,
Like,
there's
it's
probably a lot
not
of
the
hills around,
exact same. I'm like, we're totally like in the same spot. I don't know how to really get it back.
Is that looking at the point of like the woods?
Oh, shoot.
Oh my god, why is it snowing? Okay, we heard a really, I guess Max saw something strange. I went somewhere else. I think I'm gonna try to find everyone. Once I get back to the main path, I think we'll be okay. Okay. Looking around, I still can't find anyone. I think I'm gonna start heading back to the car.
And so I see why you think it's real, but I mean, there's movies like Blair Witch and stuff. Like, there's like a very clear buildup of tension. Like, the danger of the forest, they mysteriously get separated. The purpose completely unfaced the entire time. I mean, there's just stuff like that. Makes you think it's a film.
Do you think their separation was like a bit too organized?
Yeah, it's things like that. Like, I feel like it was like perfect 2-to-2 separation at one point, and I'm like, it just doesn't seem realistic. And also, the camcorder, you know, it's like, who uses the camcorder in this day and age? You know, it's like, it's just trying to make it scary and unseen, you know?
Oh, well, couldn't you say, like, budget restrictions, or maybe that's the only camera in the store that
Well,
they
see,
could...
now you're talking like it's a movie, like budget restrictions. I feel like most teenagers have an iPhone that they can just vlog with, right?
Well, do you think cameras could be, like, affected in the woods, or maybe, you know, their lighting didn't work out the way they wanted, they couldn't see, or maybe their phone died, you know, phone batteries use up a lot with cameras.
It could just be like a modern trend or something, but yeah, it makes me a little suspicious. And also, it's clear things like the complete silence at one point. They stop screaming. It's just complete silence and just heavy breathing. I'm like, if there was somebody chasing you down, would you be breathing that heavy? Like, wouldn't you just like, you know, cut it off a little bit? But it's the fact that you can just hear it. It's like they put it right here and just started breathing on it. I feel like that's...
Think maybe it's an
fiction.
adrenaline rush thing, or...
What? No, I just think it's just for the film. I mean, that's just my opinion, though. And, like, it's so clear. Like, it's all just a build-up to the big scare at the end. Like, that cut. It's so obvious. It's like, oh, it's like a big thing, and then they just cut it off. Right? Because they just give you that release of tension, because it's so scary. And that's just like a movie. Like, I'm like, if something was attacking you, you just stop recording completely. I mean, I don't know.
So it couldn't at all be a coincidence, maybe they couldn't, like, something chasing them and it kind of like naturally flowed, or do you think it's a bit too choppy?
Like, the choppiness makes it look real, which is why I think, like, you would think it's real. But, I mean, listen, this has been done before. It's just like, it's been done in like a bunch of movies since then. I'm like, it's to give the illusion of it being real by chopping it up. You know, it's kind of like, oh, it's like a family video or a friend video, because it's kind of messy. It shakes a little bit. It cuts awkwardly. Oh, just like you and your family's videos, you know? It makes it feel real, which is a film technique, but it's fiction. I really feel like it's fiction.
Well, this is for a blog for a YouTube channel that's like films their day-to-day lifestyle, and if it doesn't follow the trend of their past, you know, YouTube videos, do you think maybe that speaks for some of the truth?
Well, see, even that, like, they already have a channel where they vlog every day. I'm like, I feel like they're just trying to get big with this one, but that's just my opinion. I mean, there are some things in here that could be real. I mean, I guess, I'm sure it was dark out there, so I'm sure at some point something went to attack them, just be kind of gone, like visually. And whoever packaged this to us probably just cut out that part because he found it uninteresting. It might just be some sadistic filmmaker, some joker, you know. But I mean, honestly, I feel like it's a piece of fiction.
It's great to hear your opinion.
Yeah, you know, let me know if you need any help with this kind of stuff again, but that's my thoughts. Okay. Well, I have a few comments about it. Okay, stop. Don't take off. Okay. What do I say? What's something that's not corny? Hey man, okay.
I can't really find a tree, man. But that's okay. I couldn't really find a tree to hit.
I I've been looking around some more. I still can't find them. I think I'm gonna try. Okay, I walked around for a few minutes. I still can't find anyone. I think we're gonna. What was that? I think I'm gonna start walking to the car. What? Did you hear that?